Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So guys, for the various courses of NPTEL, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys by our channel S Kumar Edu. So we have more than 5 years of experience in this NPTEL. So if you want to purchase any course subjects, mail me to this email ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So let me show you the list guys. If you see here, so for ethical hacking course, we have collected 300 past NPTEL assignment MCQs. For one person access it is 300. For 2 to 5 person access it is combinedly 500 rupees. So please ask your friends and classmates to join along with you and take this combined pack of 500. So individually you can get for less price. So similarly for other courses as well. So here are the number of MCQs column. So for cyber security and privacy, 120 MCQs provided, 150 rupees is the one person access price and 500 rupees is the 2 to 5 person access price. So cloud computing 300 MCQs 300 rupees, IoT 300 rupees 300 rupees, IoT 4.0 300 rupees. So it is also actually 300 rupees guys. So 300 rupees. And DSA, data structure using Java, 315 MCQs 300 rupees, and introduction to machine learning by IIT Madras, so 600 plus past NPTEL assignment MCQs 500 rupees. Big data computing 155 plus MCQs 200 rupees. So software testing IIT Bangalore, 120 past assignment MCQs 150 rupees. Programming in Java past NPTEL assignment MCQs 300 MCQs 300 rupees. And AI search methods 300 rupees, 300 MCQs and 300 rupees. And if you see the remaining ones, so deep learning 270 past NPTEL MCQs combinedly, so 300 rupees for one person and 500 rupees for 2 to 5 person group. So programming in C, problem solving through programming in C, 130 plus MCQs for single person access 150 rupees, for group 500 rupees. Similarly Google Cloud Computing Foundations 160 plus MCQs 200 rupees. Joy of computing using Python 125 past MCQs 150 rupees. And developing soft skills and personality course 200 past NPTEL assignment MCQs 200 rupees guys. So if you see this, so this is the price list. So all these are one person access. If you want 2 to 5 person access, the price will be 500 for any course guys. If you are looking for only one person access, the price will change like this. For one course will be depending on the MCQs, so 300 MCQs will be 300 rupees guys. So like this we have provided already many students taken the many courses guys. So if you are who are still don't know about this, so for them we are preparing this video. So if you still not taken this pack, so please discuss with your friends and classmates guys. So share this video within your WhatsApp college student unofficial groups. So make some discussion happen on this and combinedly take this 2 to 5 person access. So individually you can get for less shared price, right? So it will be like helping your friends as well. So if you are confirmed to make the payment, then only mail us guys, because many genuine students are mailing us, so everyone want to get that PDF. So this is the mail ID guys, so make it fast guys, because exams are fast approaching. So bk179417@gmail.com. so the access will be till the exam results publishing day. You will have the continue to have the validity. So bk179417@gmail.com. so exam preparation MCQs guys. So these are the past NPTEL assignment MCQs. So bk179417@gmail.com. so mail me to this email ID guys. So that's it guys, I wish you very all the best for your final exam. Good.